A light magnitude 3.4 earthquake hit 55 kilometers, 34 miles, away from New Plymouth, Taranaki, New Zealand, in the late afternoon of Tuesday, August 12, 2025 at 6:52 p.m. local time, GMT +12. The quake had a moderate depth of 130 kilometers, 81 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, GeoNet, NZ. After 2 minutes. The earthquake occurred 5 days after a magnitude 3.8 earthquake had hit on Thursday, August 7, 2025, at 4:07 p.m. local time, Pacific, Auckland GMT +12, in 84 kilometers, 52 miles, distance to the southeast. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.